Hi, Carl Gunderson with Simply Holistic Fitness. Today we're going to be learning Child's Pose. Child's Pose is a very important pose in our yoga practice. It allows us to find what we refer to as tha or relaxation. So starting in the beginning with the three different options that we have in our Child's Pose, coming into traditional Child's Pose, hips are going to be on the knees. We're going to flex forward, rounding the spine over the top of the thighs. Hands come behind our back, arms are extended, palms turned up towards the sky, bringing your third eye or forehead down towards the earth. Relax the shoulder blades back and down, letting them fall away from the spine. Another option in our Child's Pose is to stack the hands on top of each other, making a fist. Sometimes traditional Child's Pose can be difficult for the lower back. So here you're just going to bring your forehead or third eye down towards your hands and gently place them on the forehead. And then option 3 is extended Child's Pose. So in extended Child's Pose, we're going to open up the knees to the corners of our mat, edges to our mat, bring the ankles together, and then walking the hands out, extending the spine, bring your third eye or forehead down towards the earth. Relax the hips or the belly in between the thighs. Bring your third eye or forehead down towards the earth. As you reach those hands out and those fingertips, feel the length come into the spine. Also think about just backing off a notch. Soften the elbows. Bring the forearms down towards the earth, taking the impingement out of the shoulder. Extended Child's Pose.